Okay guys, leo tumeingia na revenue product. Hii ni electric kettle. You can see this is white. It's 1.7 liters. Then it comes with a warranty of 1 year. You'll get the warranty card. Kuna black and blue. Alafu tuangalie the watts, and it's cordless by the way. You can see it. Let's look at the features. It rotates at 360 degrees. The level water is 1.7 liters, and it's automatic on and off. You can do it manually. Okay. The base, I told you, it's you can disconnect it. Then you can see the watts. The watt, it's 1850 to 2200 watts. So that's a good thing that hata ukinunua haiwezi haribika anytime. So guys, hurry up. These at 1,600 shillings. That's wholesale. So hakuna mtu mwenye tuseme kama anunui moja mbili tunakataza. No, anyone is welcome for the wholesale. You can see even the frequency is here, and the power. So from there you can decide on what to do. The white and black ones. Thank you.